In this video, I'll show you how to solve gallery video not playing problem on Android unsupported format or apps issues. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search gallery application. Tap on gallery. Tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache. Again tap on apps permission. Allowed all apps permission. Step 2. Restart your device and reopen it. Step 3. Update and reinstall the apps. Step 4. Check your storage space. Check your storage space. Free up some space and try again. Step 5. Open your phone setting. Tap on System Apps Update. From here, you make sure your all system apps is updated. If your system apps is not updated, then update your all system apps. Open your gallery. Then play video. Follow all of the steps to fix gallery video not playing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.